Hiya, welcome to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure having your company. I'm coming to round up things for February now because I was supposed to start cash stuffing at the beginning of February. I left January out because of circumstances, and I said I was going to start in February. I haven't done any cash stuffing for this month, and I'm about to start. It's going to be catch up because I am sitting on the money that needs to be allocated to savings challenges. So I'm going to get the money out. It should be £560. Should be. Right, let's have a look. Should be, if my calculations is right. Let's check and we'll see. So that's 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, oops, 20, 40, 60, 84, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 95, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Perfect. Perfect. Now, I am going to take out £140 first of all. 80, 120, 40. Because that is what I stuff every week, right? So what have we got here? 20, 40, 60, 80. Let's do 80, 120. That's 60. So let's do some tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Let's have a look. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Right. Okay. Because I could have done all of this off camera, but I just want to be accountable, you know. So what I decided to do is do the challenges on alternate weeks. So the last time I did cash stuff was the 31st of January, where I did my sinking funds. So that's done. So let's pretend that we are in week 1 for February, right? And week 1 is the dice, roll the dice. I've got the 100 envelopes, the £150 dice challenge, roll and strike, 52 weeks, and mini monthly. I think it was, yeah, 2. So we've got 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see what 6 is. 6 is £10. And let's do another one. 4 and 1 is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's £10. Good. So those 2 are done, and that goes to the back where it's been partitioned off. Should we put it here? We put that there. Yeah. Alright, so that is done. Let's go for the 150 dice. And what colour do I want? It's exciting that I'm back to it, but some reason I just couldn't get around to doing my savings challenges, but nevertheless I'm here now, so let's get started with the £150 dice. Let's do 2 blacks. So we've got 5 and 3 is 8, so we do 5 and 5 and 3. So we round it up as 10, we do another one, and 10, that's 20. Great, perfect. 2 5s and 1 here. Let's put it in here, the big roll of dice, and then I will just label it. There you go. I'm sure I did it all. I bet I've got it in another one. Alright, big roll of dice. Let's just put a little thing here. And at least I know. Big roll the dice. Alright. And then we've got the roll and strike. I love this game so much. I'm going to use the black dice, but only one. Okay. So let's get started, shall we? Alright, so we're going to roll 1 dice, strike out the number rolled, play until you can't strike out anymore, colour the remaining box and save that amount, then move to the next box. So we're starting here on the left. Let's go, come on, come on, come on. 1, alright. 6. 3, 2, okay. Ooh. 5. Ooh. 1 more. 4. Yes. That is perfect. Oh, this hasn't happened to me before. I do really like this game. I really, really do. Oh my goodness. Let's go again. 4. 1. 6. 1. Okay, I was on a roll today. So we've got 5 and 3 is 8 and 2 is 10. So roll and strike gets 10. Isn't that amazing? Isn't that amazing? Okay. So we'll do roll and strike. I must sort these envelopes out. Trust me, I really, really thought I did. Right, roll and strike. Roll and strike. And £10 goes in there for roll and strike. Thought that was open already. Tis open already. Yeah, so you see these are brand new, so I've put them in, but I didn't mark them up. Okay, no biggie. So that's done. Ah, there we go. let's put a start date first of all. I think I was supposed to throw these Sharpies out, you know, they weren't any good. 25th Feb. I'm going to roll the dice for this and see where it lands, and then I'll save on it. And let me do a white one. Yeah, let's do a white one. Can I do 2? Yeah, the higher, yeah, better. Okay, so we do 52 weeks then. That's 8, 4 and 4 is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm stuffing 25 pounds. So let me just stuff 30. Here. These are no good. That's what go in the bin. And then I've got the small roll the dice. Okay, so let's put that away. So I knew that I had them somewhere, but because it's been such a while that I organized everything, just lost all track. Let's do little roll the dice now. That's 4 and 2 is 6. Let's do this. 6, 4 and 2. That's 6, and let's go again. 5, 4 and 1 is 5. 4 and 1. Add 5. Let's go again. We've got lots of money. 5 and 3 is 8. So let's do 8. That's 5 and 3. And the total is £19, so we just round it up as 20. Okay, right, so while I'm here I might as well just the big roll the dice. That's that. So it's all about rolling the dice. These are all my old binders, some of the old wallets. I'm not throwing away anything that can be salvaged. Alright, so we've done that. This one will be for another time. Okay, and then now the mini monthly, I have it right here. So once I get back into the swing of things, I will know. So I completed January. That was £40. And I've forgotten, I think it's cute budgets. So we'll do February now. That's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Yeah. Cute budgets. Lovely. February's done. That's 20, 30, 40. That's it. At least I managed to get it all right anyway. I've managed to get it all right. So those two are finished. Put those at the back. So we've got March coming. Right. And that is that. I hope your savings are going well. I'm gonna put the Rolling Strike in here as well. I'll do that. I've got to finish stuffing the balance of that money by the ending of the month. It's only a few days, so I will be back throughout this week to finalize everything and prepare myself for March. If you did like this video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves, and I'll see you back soon. Bye for now.